All right, so you guys have all gotten to that election webquest pre-write, okay? So check it out. As always, what we're going to read first, y'all. The directions. It says, remember, this is an opinion question. You cannot be wrong as long as you try. Praise God Almighty, it's an opinion question. Because remember, guys, you're not wrong for saying your opinion. For example, Lydia, Burger King or Taco Bell? Taco Bell. She's not wrong because that's her what, y'all? Opinion. Okay. Adrian, boats or airplanes? Boats. Okay, boats. He's not wrong because that's his opinion. Beth, Spider-Man or Subway? Subway. Eat fresh. I like how you're thinking because I would probably choose Subway over Spider-Man as well. But, that's okay. So check this out. We're going to click on that versus view question. Y'all go ahead and click on it. And if you look right here, it says election webquest pre-write. Respond to 1, 2, or all the questions below in a solid paragraph, 5 sentences or more, okay? So this is kind of going to be like a journal, okay, where you're just going to start writing, and you're going to respond to 1 of these questions, 2 of these questions, all 5 of these questions is your call, but give me at least 5 sentences, okay? Now, if Braxton has 3 sentences, he did something what? Wrong. He's going to go back and fix it, right, Braxton? All right, so make sure y'all proofread as well, because remember that if it's misspelled there, it's going to be misspelled when you post it, okay? So check it out. It says, what is your stance on politics? Why do you think politics evokes so many emotions from so many people? Be honest. Do you know the difference between a Republican and a Democrat? What is your opinion on the upcoming elections? Do you care for any of the political drama, or do you try to stay away from it? Most people tend to get their religious, sports, and political views from their parents. Is that true in your case? Why or why not? Okay. So, if I'm Billy Bobo and I'm responding to this, I need at least how many sentences, y'all? 5. I need at least 5. Okay. Now I can have more than 5. So if Libby wants to write 8 sentences or 9 sentences, that's fine. But she needs at least 5. Okay. She can respond to 1 of these questions, all these questions, or 2 of these. It's completely her call, okay? Just to clarify, when it says, what is your stance on politics? Some kids were like, what does that mean? What does that mean? So grandma walks into the kitchen and says, let's talk about Joe Biden and Donald Trump. Like, what's your gut reaction to that? Do you run away and hide? Do you say, oh, good, well, I've been reading up on both candidates. I'd like to have a healthy discussion on them. Do you feel like crying on the inside? What is your stance on that, okay? Does that make sense? Okay, like I know somebody wants to talk about like Ghostbusters with me, I get excited. If somebody's like, let's talk about the issues pertaining to the Arkansas ants, I'm kind of like, oh, Arkansas ants. I don't care about Arkansas ants. So, what is your stance on politics? Does it make you excited? Do you say, I'd rather throw up and do my homework? What's the deal? Does that make sense? Everybody cool? What I'm gonna do, Braxton, you okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut up for a minute. I'm gonna let you guys type, okay? Remember to do what before you hit post? Proofread, okay? Go ahead and take a moment and do that for me.